Ken ish tu, what age are you? Ken ish tu, what age are you? Teme blian dish. I am years of age. Tame blin dish. I am years of age. We will begin by learning the base numbers 10, 20, 30 and so on. Jai Melina Dish, 10 years old. Jai Melina Dish, 10 years old. Fiha Blaine Dish, 20 years old. Fiha Blaine Dish, 20 years old. Traha Blaine Dish, 30 years old. Traha Blaine Dish, 30 years old. Kahra Blaine Dish, 40 years old. Kahra Blaine Dish, 40 years old. Kiga Blaine Dish, 50 years old. Kiga Blaine Dish, 50 years old. Shaska Blaine Dish, 60 years old. Shaska Blaine Dish, 60 years old. Shakto Blaine Dish, 70 years old. Shakto Blaine Dish, 70 years old. Octo Blaine Dish, 80 years old. Octo Blaine Dish, 80 years old. Noha Blaine Dish, 90 years old. Noha Blaine Dish, 90 years old. Kid Blaine Dish, 100 years old. Kid Blaine Dish, 100 years old. Now that we have learned our base numbers, we are going to learn how to add the other figures that we have learned in previous videos to make up the ages between the base figures. Let's go. Ein Blaine is fiha dish, 21 years old. Ein Blaine is fiha dish, 21 years old. Ja Blaine is traha dish, 32 years old. Ja Blaine is traha dish, 32 years old. Trí Blaine is cahra dish, 43 years old. Trí Blaine is cahra dish, 43 years old. Cahar Blaine is cuiga dish, 54 years old. Cahar Blaine is cuiga dish, 54 years old. Cuig Blaine is shaska dish, 65 years old. Cuig Blaine is shaska dish, 65 years old. She Blaine is shakto dish, 76 years old. She Blaine is shakto dish, 76 years old. Shakt Blaine is octo dish, 87 years old. Shakt Blaine is octo dish, 87 years old. Oct Blaine is naha dish, 98 years old. Oct Blaine is naha dish, 98 years old. Ní Blaine is naha dish, 99 years old. Ní Blaine is naha dish, 99 years old. Great! Now that we know our base numbers and how to add the number in between, all we have to do to get your age is take the base number that is relevant to you and add it into this last two slides that we covered, page 4 and 5, to get your exact age. Combine these two phrases together to get your exact age, and then you are ready to begin telling people as Gaeilge your age. Cén is tattoo.